Hey everyone, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire, where we help you troubleshoot and fix common car problems. In today's video, we're going to show you how to diagnose and fix the P0332 trouble code, which stands for knock sensor circuit low input bank 2. Stick around as we show you how to diagnose and fix this problem step by step. An engine code P0332 means that knock sensor number 2 is sending an output voltage to the PCM that is lower than the manufacturer's specified range. Without proper readings from the knock sensor, the PCM cannot accurately alter ignition timing to prevent engine knocking. When the knock sensor fails, the engine can lose performance and efficiency, and you might experience symptoms like poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, or even pinging noises from the engine. Faulty knock sensor. Over time, the knock sensor can wear out or fail. Damaged wiring or connectors. Corroded or broken wiring can cause issues with the knock sensor signal. Engine mechanical problems. Sometimes, engine issues like a misfire can trigger the knock sensor. ECM issues. In rare cases, the ECM itself could be at fault. Tools you'll need: OBD-II scanner, multimeter, ratchet set, torque wrench, replacement knock sensor if needed. Locate the knock sensor, which is usually mounted on the engine block or intake manifold. With your multimeter, check the resistance between the two terminals of the knock sensor. The resistance should be within the manufacturer's specified range, usually between 93 and 100 ohms for most vehicles. If the resistance is off, the sensor is bad and needs replacing. Once you've replaced the sensor and checked the wiring, reconnect your OBD-II scanner. To clear the P0332 code, start the engine and take it for a test drive to make sure the check engine light stays off. And there you have it, we've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0332 knock sensor malfunction. Remember, if you're not comfortable working on your car, it's always a good idea to take it to a professional, but with the right tools and a little know-how, this is a repair that most dyers can handle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more automotive repair content. See you next time.